5 ways to organize your house for the holidays. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Holiday festivities are approaching, you are playing host to a family gathering, your house is a complete mess, and you can hardly find any spare time for a thorough cleanup? There is no reason to panic. All you need to do is put your priorities straight and pull your sleeves up. Here are a few useful tips that will help you optimize the decluttering process and have your house neat and clean for the holidays. Number 1. Consider asking for professional help. There is no person on earth who hasn't fallen in the vicious circle of full-time job, personal errands and family to look after. In this case, the lack of time for home cleaning duties is totally understandable. If you have recognized yourself in the above sentences, then, scheduling home cleaning services is the most practical thing you can do. Have a look at the cleaning services local companies offer and settle for the best quality price ratio. When your maids do the thorough cleanup, you just have to make some touch-up to keep the house presentable until their next visit. Number 2. Declutter before you decorate. Putting the holiday decorations on is the first sign that festivities will start soon. To spare yourself the excessive effort, declutter prior to decorating the house. Gather all items that do not belong to the room and put them back in place. Then, get a trash bag and collect all the garbage you see. If needed, do some dusting before you put the ornaments on. Number 3. Make a list of house chores. Decide on how much time you can dedicate to cleaning every day before the festivities begin, and distribute your tasks accordingly. If you plan well ahead, the house will look fabulous for the holidays. You'd better start with the guest rooms or the rooms you do not use. Change the sheets, do the dusting, check for cobwebs, vacuum. Leave the living room and bathroom clean up for the day before the guests' arrival. Number 4. Kitchen cleaning. Make sure you prepare the kitchen for the intensive cooking. For the purpose, clean up your kitchen appliances. Don't forget about the fridge, too. Throw out the leftovers, disinfect the interior, line up the racks, and make room for the groceries you will buy for the holidays. Number 5. Engage your family in cleaning chores. If you live in a 2-story house, you have to start preparing it for the holidays at least a month ahead. However, the time you spend in cleaning will be considerably lower if you count on helpers. You can still arrange professionals for making the house presentable, but if all family members do their part, the house will look much better in no time. Playing host to the holiday festivities should not make you feel anxious. You just need to prioritize and stick to the established schedule. Don't forget to enjoy yourself during the holidays and mentally prepare for another cleanup when the festivities are over. Consider the help of trained cleaning professionals such as the ones at FastKlean. Our company can help you deal with home cleaning. Simply call 020-8884-9149. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out how our cleaning company can help you. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastclean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.